What's up, everybody? I wanted to come to you guys today with a new video. This is a trip alarm, and I'm showing you how many times I went through this thing to try to refine it and get it better in Tinkercad. The first one on the left, that was my first kind of start for it, and it just wasn't right. It didn't hold up. I thickened it up with that middle one right there, and then kind of started to smooth things out, make things look a little bit better. But I was still too thin at the bottom. It holds a 12 gauge shotgun round or a blank round. And as you see here, I got taller because you'll see in the video, the spring just needed to be much larger. But I did finally get it to work. But you can see this one here at the last one there. It's just, I think it's a thing of beauty, but it's beautiful to me. So this is the one in Tinkercad that I finally got done with. I think it's pretty cool. It's a trip alarm, 12 gauge shotgun round, and why not? It was cheap. I was able to print it out, and it took a long time to work the kinks out of it. But watch the video. Tell me what you think. Okay. All right, everybody, I'm going to pick up right here in the video and just explain. This is that first kind of style that I did. It really was just too short. The spring was too small. Nothing really worked the way I wanted it to. But, I was just trying to get it to work. So, as you'll see here in just a moment, that's the firing pin. Not the firing pin, good Lord. That's the retaining pin, I guess you'd call that. But I get it in here, pull that nice high-vis, green string line. It's just test purposes. But anyway, right, everybody. Hopefully y'all are still watching. In this moment, I do pull the trip cord and it doesn't fire. I recognize that my firing pin doesn't extend out far enough. And so I worked that kink out and was able to get it to work here in the next clips soon here. But it's fun. You know, it's just something that we try to constantly make better, you know, try to get better. So I appreciate everybody for watching. Hopefully you'll watch the rest of the video and you'll see where it does go bang. So thanks a lot. Like and subscribe.